In this project, we are controlling a servo motor using a ball switch module. So we will use a servo SG-90 motor, a 170-point breadboard, Reese 52 Uno, and some male-to-male jumper wire and ball switch module. Attach the ball switch module on the breadboard. As you can see, the first pin is signal pin, the second one is positive, and the third pin is ground pin. Connect signal pin to the digital pin 2 of the Arduino Uno. Connect positive pin of ball switch module to the 3.3 volt pin of Arduino Uno. Connect ground pin of ball switch module to the ground pin of Arduino Uno. It has 3 pins. First one is orange pin, that is the signal pin. Second one is red pin, that is the positive pin of servo motor. And the third one is brown pin, that is the ground pin of the servo motor. Now connect the servo motor to the Arduino. Connect brown pin to the ground pin of Arduino Uno. Connect red pin, that is positive pin of servo motor. Connect it to 5 volt pin of Arduino Uno. Here it is. Now the last one. This is the signal pin of servo motor. Connect it to digital pin 9 of the Arduino Uno. This is the complete circuit. Before uploading the code, I will share some basic principle for ball switch sensor. The ball tilt switch module can detect when it tilted. It works because a ball flows in the gap between 2 electrodes and complete the circuit. When the module is tilted at an angle, here we are controlling the rotation of servo motor using ball switch. So when the ball module is tilted, then the servo will rotate at 90 degrees on either direction. Now we will upload the code. As you can see, the code is being uploaded. Now we will tilt the ball switch module. As you can see, the motor will rotate in 90 degrees in either direction. Thank you.